old are you? This is the question that is considered to be the most important for women to get into a relationship these days. Or at least, if she doesn't ask, you can be sure that she has already gone after it some other way. And their reasons for wanting to know this are very important. Stay until the end of the video so you don't miss any information and subscribe to the channel. You are on the Curious Facts channel and today you will understand why women prefer older men. 1. Secure in relation to their own body and performance, older men don't try to impress by playing characters and know exactly how to behave to please a woman. 2. Older men are so confident that even you feel contagious and free to be intimate, forgetting the fears you may have about your own body's defects, thus conquering more pleasure in bed. 3. Younger men may have more energy and disposition to make love all night long. But the older man can come out ahead by guaranteeing multiple orgasms and intense pleasure in a single relationship. 4. They probably have more experience in relationships, that is, they already know how women like to be touched and which points they should pay extra attention to in order to provide pleasure. 5. Older men are usually less eager, so you can count on long foreplay sessions, which are essential for the female climax. Before going to the next topic, please leave your like. And then, did you? Then let's move on to the next. 6. Younger men can be embarrassed and even angry if a woman makes comments about how their relationship could be better. The older man, however, may be more open to such conversations and willing to hit it off with his partner. Don't feel embarrassed when he asks you questions about what you like about the act, because him knowing your preferences is going to be the most pleasurable of your life. 7. Romance and seduction are part of the game. Older men know that a simple eye-to-eye encounter is worth more than 100 cute messages on your cell phone or social networks. During the whole act he will look you in the eyes with a very naughty face that you won't be able to resist. 8. More patient, older men don't try to rush their climax and know that they can delay the whole act by controlling the ejaculation until it reaches its peak. 9. Unlike younger men, older men are more romantic and will do anything to please their partner that they love, whether it be buying a gift, helping with something, or being willing to do better for her. We have come to the end of another video. If you identified with any of these topics, we have a surprise for you in the first link in the comments. Subscribe to our channel, we have new videos every day, and comment below about your age. Leave your like and see you in the next video.